Hey everyone, and happy Sunday. I'm filming this on a Sunday and hopefully it'll be up today, which is Sunday. So I thought I would do a quick video explaining blockchain and cryptocurrency for people who've never heard of it, because a lot of people just have seen it in the news, like when Bitcoin was really high and the Bitcoin bubble was going on last winter. It was just really big and everyone heard about it, but a lot of people don't know exactly what it is and how it can change the world and the current financial system that we have. So I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it, just to explain that in a nutshell for anyone who doesn't know. And yeah, I hope you find it interesting. So yeah, to understand what cryptocurrency is, you need to understand what a blockchain is. And a blockchain is, in a nutshell, a digital, decentralized and public ledger where crypto transactions are stored, and also other transactions as well. A blockchain is constantly growing because every time a new transaction happens, a new block is created, so it's constantly being added to and growing as well. Now, cryptocurrency is a virtual digital currency that uses cryptography to keep it secure. That is essentially what cryptocurrency is. So why do people think it's superior to normal currency, or what is generally called fiat currency? Why is cryptocurrency more superior than that? The main reason is that it's not controlled by a central authority.